So, when did you reach here?
Ready for delousing?
Okay, let's get started, guys. Mr. Sahai? Mr. Sahai? Do you know where you are?
Do you know how you got here?
No, where am I?
Mr. Sahai, we are going to try and help you.
Help me? Help me with what?
The choice, Mr. Sahai.
Of whether the red pill?
Or the green pill? The green pill if you want to go forward and do this again.
The red pill if you think you've had enough.
But why do I have to choose?
Close your eyes, Mr. Sahai, and trust us.
What do you see, Mr. Sahai?
I see a man.
Keep going.
I see his life. He was anxious about what his future held for him. He was homesick for a place that did not exist. He prepared for a race that he never ran. He was waiting for a call that never came. He woke up, showered, went to a desk, came back, flipped through channels, woke up, showered, went to a desk, flipped through channels, woke up, showered.
What is the last thing you remember seeing, Mr. Sahai?
Am I dead?
The choice is still yours, Mr. Sahai.
The red pill if you want to end it here.
The green pill if you want to go back.
So what is this place?
Welcome to the yellow zone, Mr. Sahai. You're both dead and alive here.
Where you go from here is up to you.
So what will it be, Mr. Sahai?